This is Wolf Creek FAA camera. And I found Daisy Moon right away. Now Daisy Moon's grown a little bit over the years. She's pretty big. We own it. We put first dibs on it. Everyone else is pretending it doesn't exist. It can't possibly be a camera glitch or anything like that because the clouds are covering it, hiding it. So there we got Daisy Moon rolling through, Wolf Creek. That is pretty huge. And we got one more. So that was the south side. And let me put that last one on pause. There's equipment there's the projector, there's the moon, and there's equipment that actually try to hide our Daisy Moon. Sometimes we find another planet too that's striped, and I put first dibs on that, and that is, Planet Hellion. It doesn't look very scary. It's pretty, actually, to tell you the truth. It doesn't have holes in it like Daisy Moon. No, it's got nice, beautiful stripes.